High Court in Kampala was full to capacity as the 32 suspects accused of murdering Muslim clergies turned up before the judges. The court session, which began 25 minutes past 11, was presided over by Justice Ezekiel Muhanguzi, Justice Jen Chigundu, and Justice Pasi Tuhaise. At the preamble stage of the session, defense lawyers who included Counsel Ladislas Rwakafuzi, Fred Mwema, Mayanja Twaha, among others, raised the matter of intimidation their clients are facing. It has been brought to the attention of the court that the Inspector General of Police, General Kaihura, conducts private interrogations where he promises houses and 200 million shillings to some of the suspects if they make fresh statements, pinning Dr. Agrich Yingi and Amir Umar Sheikh Yunus Muhammad Kamoga.
One of such suspects who was interrogated by the IGP is Sentamu Yusuf, one of those accused persons. He was taken out of prison, taken to Northania, from Northania taken to the IGP's office. It was at 3 in the morning, and he was saying, look here, if you give me a statement pinning Dr. Kinji on subversive activities, we shall give you 200 million shillings. You see, he's not the only one. There are more than 6 suspects who were moved from various prisons of the 32 people who are being charged with these offenses. So it is very, very, very dangerous. Because
Counsel Ladislas Rwakafuzi requested the court to permit only 2 minutes to one of the suspects to testify before court about this kind of intimidation, but his plea was not considered. He condemns this kind of irregularities, saying it might lead to a prejudice in such a sensitive case. However, on the side of the prosecutors, they also raised the issue of intimidation faced by their witnesses, though this was immediately put down by the defense lawyers.
I had wanted some of the accused persons, some of the suspects who are now who are in court, stand up and speak for themselves so that the court can hear it from them instead of hearing it from me. But now you're hearing it from me. People will say Rwakafuzi is a defense lawyer, he's saying these things. It's not true. But if you had heard it, you see, I asked the judge to allow the accused person Sentamu to stand up and tell the whole world what is happening in the prison. Yes. So nobody should doubt that it is happening. Sentamu is there. You can, if I don't know if they will allow you to interview him. He's there. He's the one who told me, and several others have been treated the same way.
Out of the 32 suspects, only 31 turned up. Bampicha Robert did not appear in court after one of the prison officers told court that the vehicle he was traveling in broke down. However, it also raised a reaction from the defendants on how Bampicha Robert was transferred to Nakasongola, yet he was remanded at Chigo prisons by the High Court.
By the time you decide to prefer charges, take somebody to court, and even commit them to High Court, it means you have assembled all the evidence and you're ready for it. But if after committal you keep withdrawing charges, you add others, you remove, it means from the word go, you are not ready. Because if you keep changing, removing, adding, it means you did not have reasonable ground for taking them. So that is the complaint. That's why we are saying the DPP is not handling the matter seriously. Because like you heard me saying, this is the biggest criminal trial. The terrorist case, the bomb suspect they were told, almost 16. This is 32 persons. It's a big trial. You would expect.
The public should be interested in getting real evidence against the culprits, not cooked up evidence. It is very important. The criminals, people who are killing our sheikhs, should be punished on available evidence. But it's not correct to cook up evidence against particular people. It is wrong.
The court has been adjourned to 18th day of July after state prosecutors requested for another month to the charges with new evidences. It should be noted, however, that this case has been in court close to 2 years and charges have been amended 4 times, which could indicate unreadiness for the prosecutors. Abdel Latif Mukasa, Record TV, Kampala.